After installing PowerTools, there's no other setups that need to be done, as all values which you put into PowerTools will set automatically. If I just go into quick options here, there's a default file called draw, and anything else after that will just build files for you. With all your files they all get installed to the local disk C and the CAD directory. Now in the CAD directory you will have a data file, manuals, the symbols, templates, the PowerTools, which are the program files, and the hands on a house sample files. The PowerTools directory contains all of the program files. You will not need to touch these whatsoever, but all the data which you collect will go into this data directory. Now if you want to back up all of your values, do so with the data directory. Just back up the data, and if you do anything to the system, you can just replace the values back into this, the files back into this folder, and they'll become your standards again. At the same time, if you have another user and you need to apply all the same data from one user to the other, just copy the files again from the directory here straight across to the other user. There's another directory here called templates. You've got their symbols, which are all your symbol files, and you also have templates. So if you've got files that you want to become templates, put them in the template directory, and AutoSketch can make templates from them, and I will show you that in the next chapter. In PowerTools itself, there is a Edit Files button, and this command will bring up the text files or the ini files or the dat files in the directory as before. So if I go into Builder, OK, there's just a few different builder names there, and these are used all the way through. You don't need to understand these files, it's just that, remember, they're kept in the CAD data folder. If I go to quick options, in the data file it will tell us where the folder is. So if you want to change where that folder is kept, just change it here in the data file. There's also a reset units command, and this will reset the units on your drawings. I'll just cancel out of this, and that command uses a file in the data directory which would be draw set text. So if I open this file, it has all the different values that you can put into a drawing. Now you can change these values, and when you start off a new drawing it would take on those values, or if you create a new data file, maybe called house, you would then have a house name, then underscore set.txt. You could copy this file, and that would have all the new data values.